Hi parents and children, welcome to Joyous E-Class. I am teacher Evon. How are you today? Good! Have you prepared your learning box? Yes? Good job! Do you know what we're going to do today? Yes! Are you ready to go for the next session? Yes! Let's go!
Hello children! Welcome back! I'm teacher Ong. Today we're going to do the sorting. Can you see? Ooh, what is this? This is the helicopter. And this is the aeroplane. And this is the blimp. Okay, so we're going to do the sorting. Do you remember how to do the sorting?
Yes.
We put the same picture under the column. Yes, we've just find it like helicopter, we will put under the helicopter. And the aeroplane, we will put under the aeroplane. So, are you ready for the lesson today?
Yes.
Well done. Let's start with the first picture here. This is the
Blimp.
very good. So, let's find for the boxes for the blimp. Should we put here?
No.
No, this is aeroplane. So the blimp cannot be here. Should we put here?
Yes.
Yes, they are the same one. Good. Next. Ta-da! This is helicopter. So let's find for the place of the helicopter. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So we just put the helicopter here. Good job. Next one. Can you tell me what is this?
Aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. So where should we put? Is it here?
No.
No. This column is for helicopter. Is it here?
No.
No. This column is for the blimp. So we should put the aeroplane. Yeah, it's here. Very good. Next one. Oh, aeroplane again. Take the aeroplane and send the aeroplane to the correct box. Here. Wow. Well done. Next one. This is the blimp. Yeah. Take the blimp. Okay. So where should we put the blimp? Is it the first one?
No.
No. Is it here?
No.
No. This is the column for aeroplane. Is it here?
Yes.
Yes. This is the column for the blimp. Good job. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Oops. The next one. This is?
Helicopter.
This is the helicopter. So can you tell me where should we put the helicopter? Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? It's the first one. Good job. Let's paste on it. Good. Nice. Blimp again. So we're going to send the blimp home. Okay. Yeah, I will put here. Is it correct?
No.
No. It's not correct. This is the column for aeroplane. So we should move it. Okay, and paste here. Yes, this is the column for the blimp. Last two. Which one you're going to do first?
Aeroplane.
The aeroplane. Okay, we try for the aeroplane first. Okay. So where should we put the aeroplane? Here?
No.
No, it's here. Yeah, now you know. Okay, the last one. This is the helicopter. Take the helicopter and place on the last box. Wow! Yeah, we complete the sorting. So can you tell me once again? This is the
Helicopter.
helicopter. And this is the...
Aeroplane.
Huh? I can't hear you. What is this?
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Very good. And this is the...
Blimp.
Blimp. Good job. Well done, children. That's all for today. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Did you enjoy the lesson of today?
Yes.
What have we learned? We learned
Wk4, helicopter, aeroplane, Blimp.
awesome! You did a great job of today. We shall see you on next lesson. Bye!